For sale today is a Lathe Colchester 8000 series lathe. This machine is a 17-inch swing by 80 between centers. It's got a D18 spindle. It's a little over 3-inch spindle bore. This machine comes with a number 5 mortise taper on the tailstock. We've got a steady rest. There's a 3-jaw Pratt Bernard chuck. It also includes a 4-jaw Pratt Bernard chuck, a faceplate, a dog driver, the micrometer stop. This machine's in very nice condition, very little use. Like always, the machine's been taken apart. All the oil galleys have been cleaned and flushed. You can see the condition of the ways here is just superb. You can look down inside the chip pan, still all original paint. There's no paint taken off. Same thing with inside of the bedways. This machine is very nice. One little ding right here on the compound. We'll start this thing up and run it for you. We're at 278 RPMs. You can see here when the oil comes up. There it goes. Headstock's oiling as it should. All the oils have been changed in it. This machine has a clutch. The carriage also features reversible feed direction on the carriage, so you don't have to stop the spindle to change the direction. You can see that the same thing, pull that out, we can change the direction of that. There we go. Lead screw works as it should. Offers a brake, you can see it works. We can get reverse. Brake works. We'll shift some gears here for you. This is going to be 890 RPMs. Runs nice and quiet like it should. Brake works. If you have any other questions about this Lathe Colchester lathe or any tool room equipment, please give Brandon at Varney Machine a call. Thank you.